Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Pitbull Garage, and we got another video for you today. I know I had a lot of my comments have been saying when they did the taser install that you could rip it out and blah blah blah, such and such. Well, they came out with a protective shield to protect your taser, so where you can mount it where you can't just snatch it off when it does have the security lock system on it, and it's by Brawler Fab. But we're gonna get more into it. We're gonna do an unboxing, so let's just get to it.
Alright, the long and awaited taser shield. Got it from Booster Bill over at Brawler Fab. He's the owner. And what I'm going to be showing you today, basically, that this shield is to protect your taser, so anybody can just come and take your taser and just unplug it and get away with your truck. So basically, this shield here is going to stop that. Yeah. Got the nice little Z motor because he works, you know, him and Joe be kind of bouncing ideas off each other, but this is basically what it looks like. So basically what you have is your shield. So basically your taser goes inside of the shield here. The shield locks down around it, and you have a set, he gives you the hardware, you have a set of 2 trick screws, you know what I'm saying? And basically you have to have a certain type of bit, you know what I'm saying, to remove these screws, which is pretty thoughtful there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just show it to you. I'm gonna put it on my taser, and I'm gonna show it to you on the taser, and that's it.
I don't know, in case you guys are wondering what size steel this is, the top part is 1/8, as you can see, and then the bottom is 3/16. So, good quality hard steel. Like I said, it's made in USA, so it's gonna be quality. It's high quality material. All right, guys. Now you see the tasers right here, and you're just gonna put it like that. You're gonna take this piece right here, make sure it's slide in there, and just like that, see where they can't unplug it? Yep. And then put your screws in there and then mount it up, and that's it. Simple as that. Alright, now you see you got it installed right here, so it just goes over here so where they can't unplug the taser from there. This box protects it, and you just mount it up in there anywhere you want it. So zip ties or double-sided sticky tape or Velcro, the double-sided where you can put it on there anyway. Or if you want to get into it, look like right here, I believe, look, if you got a good enough drill a hole in there, then mount it up there or hard mount it. So it's a lot of different ways. Get creative.
Right, don't make it easy, you know what I mean?
And that's going to do it for this video. Go ahead and check out Brawler Fab. All the links will be in the description below. Till next time, peace.